Okay, the new topic is the numerical on selection of flat belt. In the previous video we have seen how to select a flat belt using the manufacturing catalog, that is the Dunlop catalog. Now you will understand a detail that how we are going to select it with the help of this numerical. So here it is required to select a flat belt drive for a compressor running at 720 rpm, which is driven at 25 kilowatt 1440 rpm. So space available for center distance 3 meter. Belt is open type. The power is equal to 25. We have given shown here the given datas. Let's take a highlighter. And diameter of smaller and bigger pulley we need to find out. The first step is what? To find out the smaller pulley diameter, that is this. Okay, so with the help of this formula which we have seen in the steps, we find out 238.73 mm. So preferred diameter is what? 250 mm. We select this with the help of table. So small d is 250, capital D is what? 500 mm, based on this. It is n1 n2. Okay, center distance 3 meter. Now velocity is what? 18.85 meter per second, and previous it was 18. This I have told you in the previous video also that it get changes. So now we need to find out from a table that the load correction factor, which we have already seen in the last videos, it is 1.3 for the compressor. So power is equal to what? Maximum power is 1.3 in 25, that is 32.5 kilowatt we are going to take. And arc of contact is what? Alpha S we need to find out. Based on this, the angle of wrap is known, 170.23 degree. Based on this 170.23 degree, we need to find out the FD value with the help of table. So the value is somewhat different because we have that value in 180 degree, 190 degree, 170 degree like this, but not for 175.23 degree. So for that we are using here the linear interpolation methods. So linear interpolation method will help us to find out the value of FD. We all knows how to find out the FD interpolation methods. So here the corrected power is what? 1.019 into 32.5. So 33.12 kilowatt is the final value. So the corrected power rating, based on that high speed belt we have selected. Belt speed is 18.85 meter per second, and the power rating is what? 0. So based on this, we are going to select a belt. That is the width into number of plies equal to corrected power upon corrected belt rating. Put that values, that is corrected power 33.12, then power rating. Based on that we get these values. Now belt widths for 4 ply, W is equal to 756.17 by 4. You will get this. For 5 ply, this. For 6 ply, it is this. Now check this value for the table. We shall select a high speed belt for 152 mm preferred width and 5 plies. This is the preferred width which we get from the table. So belt length is given with the help of this term, and the belt specification is was 7.2 meter length of 152 mm width and 5 plies. So you need a standard table to solve this numerical. It is really compulsory to use a table. Without table you can't solve this numerical. Okay, thank you very much.